The password. To create the password, we're going to create a class for no particular reason. It seems like a neat way to create or to do it. So we're going to create a class. We're going to call it password creator, and we're going to add the construct public function construct, and we want two main what do you call it, values or whatever, what do you call it, methods, attributes, properties. One is going to be name type. We're going to set it to hard, and the other is going to be name limit. So if you could already tell, right, and the constructor is going to take in a type and a limit, and then we're going to set our type to whatever received there from the initialization, and then we're going to set our limit to whatever received there. Great. So this is our basic function, and when we submit our password creator is equal to new password creator, right, and we pass in the difficulty and the limit. So basically we have literally just initialize our class, I think that's what you call it, and yeah, so we have access to the class object now. And what we would actually do now is create a function called generate password creator generate. So generate. So the purpose of this would be to generate a password. So once we submit it, we would rewrite the global password with. So you could add a comment, generate password here, and we can see how this works. So, well, I'll go into the logic of it. Yeah, so we need to include it, right? Include password creator, right? Let's try that again. Oh, it's already set. Let's try that again. Right? So my new password, right? So this is coming from the class. My new password here, 3 dots. So if we were to run on function again, you could